Hey you guys, and welcome back to DAT Family 5. On today's video, we'll be doing a little bit of Christmas in July. We're going to go ahead and head over to HOMESENSE. This video was filmed back in November when it was first opened up in Newport News, Virginia. So this is the HOMESENSE opening day of November 6th, 2022. I really hope that y'all enjoyed this video and get some ideas of decor that you want to use for your house. It's a little more modern, and y'all know my house is a regular house, so but enjoy the footage and some of the banter between me and my sissy Melissa. So I really hope that y'all enjoy this video. My name is Atoya. On this channel you get cleaning motivation, DIY inspiration, vlogs, and shop with me's. Okay, so I really hope that y'all enjoy this video, and don't forget to subscribe down below by turning that red to gray to join our family. Don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to comment down below. Do you like to go to HOMESENSE, Home Goods, TJ Maxx, Ross, all those good places, Hobby Lobby? Do you like to go to those places? Let me know.
Can't take my eyes off, can't take my eyes off, can't take my eyes off, can't take my eyes off. You got devotion, dance in slow motion. My eyes can't help looking at you right now. So much emotion, just pick your poison. Is every move you make even allowed? Can't get enough. I try my best to look away, but I can't stop. Am I afraid to you? We almost touch. I feel your body move my way, you're close enough. So I say, can't take my eyes on you. You were all I see. Can't take my eyes on you. You know what I mean. Can't take my eyes on you. You were all I see. Can't take my eyes on you. Take my eyes on you. Like I'm awake inside of a dream. You're getting closer, night's almost over. I might just ask you to leave now with me. Can't get enough. I try my best to look away, but I can't stop. Am I afraid to you? We almost touch. I feel your body move my way, you're close enough. So I say, can't take my eyes on you. You were all I see. Can't take my eyes on you. You know what I mean. Can't take my eyes on you. You are all I see. Can't take my eyes on you. Take my eyes on you. Yeah. Can't take my eyes off. Can't take my eyes off. Can't take my eyes off. Can't take my eyes on you. Can't take my eyes off. Can't take my eyes off. Can't take my eyes off. Can't take my eyes on you. You are all I see. Can't take my eyes on you. You know what I mean. Can't take my eyes on you. You are all I see. Can't take my eyes on you. Take my eyes on you. Yeah. Can't take my eyes off. Can't take my eyes off. Can't take my eyes off. Can't take my eyes on you. Can't take my eyes off. Can't take my eyes off. Can't take my eyes off. Can't take my eyes on you. Took me for granted. Don't recognize you anymore. Once sweet and caring, now cold and calculated. You can't be trusted. You want the world for your own. You want maximum profit. You lost perspective. I won't give you direction. You're always restless. 'cause I don't recognize you anymore. Once sweet and caring, now cold and calculated. You can't be trusted. You want the world for your own. You want maximum profit. I can't afford to stay, so get out of my way. Smoking down the track, I never looking back. You can't be with me anymore. You can't be with me.
Yeah, so the price.
The price isn't bad.
That one smells good. You gotta come in the camera and smell it crazy. You all have to. You don't want to.
Oh no. Hold on, let's smell something that smells good. Let's smell this one.
A flamingo. I never smelled that one.
Oh, did you smell Cheers? This one's Cheers. Oh my guys. Oh my god, guys. But it's $16.99.
That's
I don't
a
know.
big candle, though.
It smells good though. Like it's actually like. Excuse me.
Oop.
I'm sorry. No, you good? Did you smell salt?
It smells cherry.
But like,
I like this.
does it beat Bath and Body Works? Because Bath and Body Works
No.
had. See, that's the problem. You have to beat Bath and Body Works if you want Bath and Body Works price.
Hey.
It smells good though. I mean, it's disgusting. Oh yeah. Smells amazing. Don't get that one.
That was cute.
Oh, that's gross. Why do we always intend
We
to
done.
Oh, this one looks like a latte.
It looks like, oh.
Oh, it's a
mojo.
mocha. Oh, it smells like a latte.
Oh, it does. That smells good.
Yeah, it smells like coffee. Like you drink coffee in the morning or whatever.
$13.
Not $13. Not Bath and Body Works, guys.
It's not Bath and Body Works.
So
That's cute though.
probably not coming home. It's cute. Bath and Body Works should do that.
You in Bath and Body Works. Okay, bye you guys.
Maybe someday you will realize. 'Cause every morning I wish you were here with me, watching the sunlight fill my room. Falling asleep at night, thinking about you and me. Why did you have to be so cruel? I guess I should have known it from the start. But baby, I was so caught up in you, picking up the pieces of my heart. Oh baby, let me hold you. I just wanna hold you. I guess I should have known it from the start. But baby, I was so caught up in you, picking up the pieces of my heart. Oh baby, let me hold you. I just wanna hold you. 'Cause every morning I wish you were here with me, watching the sunlight fill my room. I guess I should have known it from the start. But baby, I was so caught up in you, picking up the pieces of my heart. Oh baby, let me hold you. I just wanna hold you. I guess I should have known it from the start. But baby, I was so caught up in you, picking up the pieces of my heart. Oh baby, let me hold you. I just wanna hold you.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. I'm sorry for what I have put you through. I still have you on my mind, my mind. My focus been drifting away from you. Just wasn't our time, our time.
As always, we are the family that love life and having fun and give you the motivation and the inspiration that you need to live your life abundantly with God's love. Don't forget to click that red box and turn it gray to join our wonderful and growing family. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to comment down below. Do you like going to Home Goods? Do you like going to HOMESENSE? Do you like going to those types of places? And what do you like to buy when you go? Y'all be blessed, and we will see y'all on the tube. And peace out, y'all. Love you guys.